What's up, guys? We're still in Dubai at the moment. You can see my boy Tanner right here. He's got done freshening up, got some closes tonight. She's feeling good, refreshed. And then we can look over here to our left. We got Alex. Alex just made the best vlog ever. I mean, he just got done editing.
Tanner, did you check my vlog?
He's a very hard worker.
Everyone doubted me that I couldn't get the footage from 3 cameras and 5 phones from 3 different days, but I managed to make it happen. And now that is the best work so far.
The masterpiece has been created.
It's 50% exporting.
Cool, guys. So pretty much this is the tour of the entire place. We got the kitchen in here. I literally tried to make 37 eggs, and as you guys can see, it did not turn out well. We got Tanner over here. Jake and Nick I think they're in the Matrix right now. And then we got the robot. We got Tanner's room. He's got 2 chandeliers, full diamonds. Man, this is where you recover. Success. We got the bathroom right here. Here's my room. This is where I close the deals to make money. And this is where I just sleep a few hours a night. And that's pretty much it. Over here we got the closet, the bathroom. It's not too shabby. And yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to make today's video pretty much helping you guys get started with sales, whether that's door-to-door sales, remote sales, or even corporate sales if you want to go that low. But I think definitely the best way to actually get started with sales, if you don't want to get into remote sales at first, is definitely door-to-door sales. Because with door-to-door sales, you can actually start building a very solid foundation in terms of your sales skills, so that way you can actually feel what it feels like to actually start closing your own deals and to actually throw yourself in the fire, to actually know what it feels like to be a salesman, and to actually start learning how to actually develop the skills needed to make money anytime, anywhere. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So to actually start delving into the world of sales, and especially with door-to-door sales, I mean, I've never done it myself, but I do know some people that have been doing it and have been very successful with it. And basically they were able to make a few couple of tens of thousands of dollars just in a few months, because they were able to just lock in, start knocking on doors and start selling for the roofing business, which is what they did. And now they're literally just in South America because they were able to get a few sales with door to door. And now they can actually focus on e-com and actually leveling up their lives, and they have enough cushion to do so. And that's actually the beauty of sales, because no other way in life can you make enough money to actually live abroad for a certain period of time outside of sales. Because with sales, your commission is uncapped. You're able to make as much money as you're able to make. And you're not going to be trading your time for money, but basically just trading your effort for how much money you really make. Now, what I mean by that is basically just, I'll kind of give you an example personally. So I used to work at a gas station back in the US, and my commission was capped at $14 an hour. Now, I could have worked weeks and months and still wouldn't have accumulated $20,000 and be able to actually live in South America like my friends. And basically my friends are able to live in South America basically just off one sale that they made for their roofing business. And that's the beauty of it, because all he needed to do was literally just knock on a few doors, get it closed, and now he's able to focus on e-com and put all of his money into ad spend and living expenses and stuff like that down in South America. Now that's door-to-door sales, but what I think is best personally is remote sales. And with remote sales, I'm able to make money and travel at the exact same time. And in my opinion, remote sales is the easiest, because what you even do as a remote salesman is basically either work as a setter or a closer. And you basically just stand in the cash flow from people who are wanting to learn a certain skill like day trading, crypto, DeFi, anything to do with financial offers or even fitness offers. People are wanting to learn these skills and how to level up their lives financially or physically, and they're looking online in order to do so. So that's when they find these influencers that are living the life of their dreams, and they want to learn from these influencers. And that's when I come into play, because these influencers have hundreds of thousands of people wanting to learn from them and to buy from them, and they just can't handle all of these calls at once. So my job as a closer is to basically just stand in the middle of this cash flow and basically just take calls for this influencer, so that way I can kind of take a load off of his hands and make commission for myself from that. So at the moment, I'm helping this kind of DeFi coach help others make passive income with crypto, and his offer is anywhere from 8,000 to 1,200 USD. So if I do get it closed to help people level up their lives and get passive income with crypto, I get 10% of the close. So let's just say someone closes for 8,000, I get 800. And if someone closes for 1,200, no, if someone closes for 12,000, then I get 1,200. So if I get 2 to 4 closes a day, I mean, you can do the math. It's just a very lucrative business to be in, especially someone like myself in my 20s. I don't have any kids. I don't have any responsibilities. And I'm able to travel the world and live freely as a man. And I think that's really important, especially for someone my age. So that way I'm able to travel the world, gain new experiences, get value to myself as a man. So that way, whenever I have kids or I want to help people in the future, I'm able to actually give the value back to those who are maybe lower than me and maybe behind me. So that way I can kind of help hold out my hand and guide them through the entire process to actually get to where I am today. Now, to actually get started with door-to-door sales and remote sales, both require a little bit of networking, outreaching, and actually learning from someone who's actually been there and done that. And to actually start networking with door-to-door sales, you basically just want to kind of see in your kind of circle right now, like who's actually in sales, who's making money going door-to-door, connecting with them, seeing if they have any openings available in their business right now, and see if you can kind of put yourself in a position to actually make money with your said friends or network. And then with remote sales, it's pretty much exactly the same. You just want to find who's making money online, how are they doing it? Are they doing it with remote sales? Trying to connect with them, and then basically seeing if they have any openings on the offer that they're currently on right now, and to see if you can place yourself on that same offer so you can start making money anywhere in the world. And to get started with both of these, what you actually want to do first is basically learn the foundational skills of sales. Now, what that actually means is just kind of getting out there in the world and kind of just putting yourself in new situations where you're communicating with different people. And even reading books on sales, the psychology of sales, and the philosophy of sales is also really beneficial as well. So that way you can kind of learn the ins and outs of like what it actually means to sell. And I mean, I think the most beneficial way you can actually level up your skills with sales is to actually just go out there and network with people inside of restaurants, clubs, and try to network with the highest level individuals and see if they have anything that they're willing to sell, and then sell it for them. And that way you're able to put yourself in a new situation where you can kind of adapt, see how you can work your way in to make yourself some money. And that way, whenever you do actually want to get started with remote sales or door-to-door sales, it'll be a lot easier to actually put yourself on those offers because you already have some sales experience and you've already proved to yourself that you can do it, and it'll be easily done. So with that being said, guys, if you guys do want to start remote sales and make $10,000 a month anywhere in the world, I do have 3 more spots left open in my mentorship. So that way I'm able to kind of walk you through the entire process myself and able to actually get you to travel the world and make money anywhere, anytime. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go check out why the fire alarm is going off, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
But it's coming from.
Yeah, it sucks, man.
Oh,
Well,
I'm gonna get my AirPods and go to sleep.
Nick, how do you feel about this situation?
How do we we get out of it?
I'm saying this is just a bad dream.
Tell him we need a refund. You should dispute the money. Dispute the money in your car.
Yeah.
It's just how it's the place. I mean, if that maybe goes longer, that's reasonable. But how can you prove it?
I mean, he's vlogging it right now.
I was just making a video.
It's actually getting. No, it's fine.
Ah, it's coming up.
Wait, that's not possible. Like, where is it going?
It just feels like it's just inserted into my iron, bro.
Is there a way you can like make this go down without like doing this?
You go like this.
What the fuck is that?
Wait, wait.
Pretty sure you can control it with the joystick. What the fuck?
Oh, there we go. Back to normal. Alright guys, it seems we're back to normal now. I'm gonna go edit this video, post it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.